Hello viewers, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you on how to update your apps. I know some of you, whenever you buy your phones, you don't update your apps, and then the apps keep on notifying you update, but still you find it difficult to update the app. I think recently I flashed my phone, then I had to update my boom play. I opened it, they say I should update, and then some apps they'll bring a link linking you to where you should update your app. But today, this what I'll be teaching you. What I'll be teaching you today will be very simple. You're going to be able to update your apps that are on your phone. So you don't need to go about waiting for them to say update and then you update, but you update everything. I think all my apps and everything has been updated. Everything has been updated, so you can see it's very different from other phones. So my phone has been updated, and then I think it's very good for you to update your apps and then your whole phone, because it makes it look new, and then it makes the phone very beautiful. When it makes it easier for you to use, because as I updated my apps and the whole phone, I think it has helped me very well, because I don't need to struggle in something, and then the picture quality and then the apps and the launcher, everything is very beautiful and it's nice. I don't think you need to struggle with this step. So please follow the steps that I'm going to teach you today. Then you make sure you follow it very well. Make sure you follow it very well. So now let's move into business. So let's open our data, because we are going to use our data in updating, as we all know. So we have opened our data, and so let's open the Play Store. Let's open Play Store. So we are going to use Play Store to update our apps. We are going to use it to update our apps. So as you can see your top right, you also have your email address, and then your Google account. You see your account just like the way it is on the screen. So we are going to press on that top right icon. So as you can see my name, Pascal Landry Jr. Then you can see my whole account. So over here, click on manage app and device, which is the first option. So you can see it will bring you to a place like this. So we are updating our apps. So move straight to update apps, which is the second option, update available. So as you can see, I think the apps I downloaded, I think I need to update them. So as you can see over here, we need to update all these apps. So I need to update my Amazon shopping, then Xnet, and then Gmail, and then all this. I think I mistakenly deleted them when I was cleaning my phone. I think I mistakenly deleted them, so I had to download them and then update them again. So these are the apps I need to update. So as you can see here, you can see at your right hand side, you can see update, and you can also see on top update all. So if you have enough data I think you will need to click on update all. Update all. I think I don't have enough internet bundle. I don't have enough internet bundle to update all. So we'll be quitting this. But I want you to understand the steps. I want you to get the steps. It's because I want you to get the steps. That's why I'm doing this. But I don't really have enough data. But if you follow this step very well, you see that it's very true, it's correct, and then you don't have anything to worry about. The only thing is now for you to wait for it to update all. So I'm updating mine later when I have internet bundle. So this is very simple. As you can see, it's very simple. You don't need to wait for notifications for your phone to update you, or the company to update to message you and say update this, update that, then you update it. And some of us, we don't want to update. Even our Zender, we don't want to update. It will show update Zender, still will not update. But you really need to update so that you can make life simple. Everything will be smooth for you. Whilst people are struggling, you don't need to struggle. You only need to just tap, and then that's it. So before I leave this video, I'll just encourage you to watch the other videos and like and subscribe to this channel, and then don't forget to share. That's very important. Don't forget to share. So please share on your Facebook platform, please share on Instagram platform, or any platform you are. Please share so that other people, they will also know what to do when they are in trouble, when they need to update their apps and then solve the issues. Please subscribe to join the Solution Nation, as you already know. So please subscribe and continue to watch my videos to make your life simple. So make life simple. Peace.